Welcome to RD Home. I am Devender. In this video, I will explain you class 8 maths. Now you can see your second question. What number is that which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? We don't know that number. So that first of all, you can take here let the required number will be x. You can take here let the required number will be x. Then what will be the third part of the number? Third part of the number will be x by 3. You can write here x by 3. If I am asking second part, that means you can take here x by 2. If I am asking seventh part, you can take here x by 7. That means you can write here 1 by 3 into x only. Say third part exceeds fifth part. That means you can write here fifth part of the number will be x by 5. Yes or no? Yes. Once you can see here, it is given that third part means x by 3. X by 3 exceeds the fifth part. Fifth part means x by 5. By how much? 4 only. That means you can write here x by 3 is equal to x by 5. Here exceeds means you can take here addition plus 4. In the next step you can write here, you can transpose x by 5 to LHS. That means you can write here x by 3 minus x by 5 is equal 4. In the next step you can see here implies you can find the LCM of 5 and 3. You can know that 15 is the LCM. That means you can write here 3 5 how much? 15. That means 5 into x. You can directly write 5x minus 5 3 is 15. That means you can write here 3 into x. 3x is equals 4 only. Implies you can write here 5x minus 3x is how much? 2x. Here 2x by 15 is equal 4 only. Implies you can write here 2x is equals 15 4 how much? 60 only. 15 4 60. Implies you can write here x is equal 60 by 2. 60 by 2 means it is equal to 30. X is equal to how much? 30. The required number will be 30. You can write here. Therefore, the required number is 30 is your solution. Now you can see here question number 3. The difference between two positive integers is 36. The quotient when one integer is divided by other is 4. Find the integers. See here, first of all our assumption is let one of the positive integer is I am taking here x. Next one you can see here then other positive integers. See, already given that the difference between two positive integers is almost 36. If I am taking one of the integer is x, you can take another integer will be x minus 36. See, here you can clearly, it is the difference is 36 or not? Yes, already they given that the quotient when one integer is divided by other is 4. That means when x is divided, you can write here when x is divided by other positive integer, that means here x minus 36, the quotient, you can write here the quotient is equal 4. That means you can write here implies x by x minus 36 is equal 4. X by x minus 36 is equal 4. That means you can transpose x minus 36 to RHS. That means you can write here x is equal 4 into x minus 36. Implies you can write here x is equal 4 into x, 4x only, minus 4 into 36. That means 4 6 is how much? 24 here, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 is how much? 14. That means you can write here 144. In the next step you can transpose minus 144 to LHS, x to RSS. That means you can write here 4x minus x is equal to 144. Implies you can write here 4x minus x is equal to how much? 3x only is equal to 144. Next you can transpose 3x. That means here transpose 3 to RHS. That means can I write here x is equal to 144 by 3. You can simplify. Is it possible? See here 3 1 ja 3. Here 3 4 ja 12. 24 is the remainder. 3 8 ja 24. That means here x is equal to how much? 48. X is equal to 48. X means it is the one of the positive integer or not? Yes, that means you can write here x is equal to 48. Next one will be x minus 36 is equal to how much? Therefore, x minus 36 means 48 minus 36. is equal to how much? 8 minus 6 is 2 only. Here 4 minus 3 is 1 only. That means another positive integer is 12. That means you can write here, therefore the two positive integers, two positive integers 48 comma 12, this is your answer. You can see clearly the difference is 48 and 12 is 36 or not. Yes, this is your solution. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో. మీకు ఈ వీడియో యూస్ఫుల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి అండ్ ఆల్సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.